Hello, my name is David Coltrane from Coltrane Dairy. We milk about 500 dairy cows in Pleasant Garden, North Carolina, on about 800 acres of land, which we grow corn, soybeans, and wheat to feed our animals. And we produce the milk that goes into the Maola Milk and ice cream. Our farm was started in 1956 with my grandfather and my father. We get started around 5:30 in the morning, and we start out first feeding the baby calves and feeding the animals. We milk 3 times a day. We milk at 8 in the morning, and then 4 in the afternoon, and then midnight, so it's every 8 hours. Each cow's gonna give about 8 to 10 gallons of milk a day. Our cows are kept inside the barn, and they're free roaming inside the barn, free to go where they want and drink water when they want, eat when they want. First, when a cow walks into the milking parlor, we have an iodine solution that we spray on the cow's udder. We wipe that off and clean any of the germs that are on the teats and the udder to be able to milk her. Then we come back through and attach the milking unit to the cow, and it's got a small vacuum to it where it helps for the milk to flow out of the cow to help pull that out. Then it goes into a pipeline system, and it's a stainless steel pipeline where it goes into a plate cooler that actually cools the milk. Then it goes into the milk tank where it's cooled down to 35 degrees. The tractor trailer comes once a day to pick up the milk, and we have to keep it at a cool temperature to keep the better quality. Then it is transported to the processing plant, to Maola.
As trucks come in from the farms, they wait here in the receiving bay as our state-certified lab runs a series of tests. Hi, I'm Steve Nickel, the General Manager here at Maola Milk and Ice Cream here in New Bern, North Carolina. For you history buffs that don't know, New Bern was the first capital in North Carolina. It's also where Pepsi-Cola was invented. We're owned by 1,500 dairy farmers and have been processing milk here for over 77 years. And we're here to show you how milk gets from the cow to your refrigerator. We run numerous tests in our state-certified lab. Some include temperature, smell, taste, antibiotics, butterfats, and various others. Once these tests are completed and we have confirmed all results meet our minimum requirements, the milk is then received into the plant. Once the milk is received in our plant, we store the raw milk in 3 components needed for production. Part of it is stored as whole milk, just like it comes from the cow. The other we separate into 2 parts, one being skim and the other is cream. We will blend the correct amounts of each to make various items, which are tested again. We pasteurize, then homogenize, and store them in sanitized silos. We run 30 different product types, including 2% milk, chocolate milk, ice cream mix, whole milk, etc. Then we bottle 9 different sizes from 8-ounce cartons to 5-gallon bags. Samples of every item go to the lab to be retained and tested yet again. Our cooler is maintained at an optimum of 36 degrees, where conveyor chains move stacks of milk to the shipping department. It's loaded onto trailers and transported to distribution centers across 5 different states. Our motto here is to keep it clean, keep it cold, and keep it moving. If you need more information, please visit us at maolamilk.com, and I want to thank you for visiting us here today at Maola Milk.